In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update estimated time in Jira. Whether you're new to Jira or just need a little refresher, this guide will take you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, you'll want to access Jira. Head over to your web browser and make sure you're logged in to your Jira account. If you aren't, go to the Atlassian main page and look for the Sign In option. It's typically located at the upper right corner of the page. Clicking on Sign In will direct you to the login page. Go ahead and enter your credentials, your username and password to access your account securely. Once logged in, you're on your Jira homepage. This is where you can see all your projects and tasks at a glance. Now, direct your attention to the project list. You need to locate the specific project you're working on. You can usually find this in the sidebar or using the search bar if you have a large number of projects. Click on the project name to open it. Within the project, you'll see a list of tasks. These can take various forms depending on your setup, such as epics, stories, or just tasks. Select the task for which you want to update the estimated time. This can be done by simply clicking on the task name, which should take you directly to the details page of that task. You'll notice several options here. Hover over to the top right corner of the task details page. There, you'll find a three-dot icon, also known as the Actions menu. Clicking this will provide you with several more options related to your task. From the drop-down, click on Configure. This option will lead you to the settings specific to the task you're working with. Once you're in the configuration section, you'll need to look for an option called Time Tracking. Clicking on Time Tracking will give you access to manage the estimated hours for this task. Now you're likely thinking, what next? Well, here's where the actual update occurs. Simply input the revised estimated time into the respective field. You might see options to log time, edit remaining time, and so forth. Make sure you enter the correct value that reflects the updated estimate for your task. Once you've entered the updated estimated time, always remember to hit save. This ensures that your changes are recorded and the team is aware of the updated timeline. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily update the estimated time for a task in Jira, making sure your project timelines are accurate and up to date. With this knowledge, you can now manage your tasks more effectively. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.